Hi. How to reset your Alipay payment password? Come on, let's see. And the first pass is go to Google and search this. No. Next, first open the Alipay and tap at the bottom, then go into your settings. Go to settings. Next, look for account and security or security settings. In that menu, you will find payment password. Tap it. And final, you tap reset payment password and follow the one script instruction to set a new one. Very easy. Um, Next, if you cannot log in your Play account, well, you apply this. One, on the login page, select the forward password or a similar option. You will need to verify your identity, which of them involves providing the email address associated with your account. Follow the instruction, send to your email or phone to reset password. If you cannot verify your identity online, contact Alipay's customer service. Click here for further assistance. You may need to provide more information such as a password photo or other details. And that's everything, everyone. I invite you to subscribe, like the video if you enjoy it, and most importantly, share it with your friends. Until the next time, bye!